If you think feedback is only about fixing bad photos, think again. Have you got a minute? Let's educate, empower, and inspire your photography one 60-second tip at a time. Feedback is one of the fastest ways to improve your photography, because left on our own, we tend to repeat what feels comfortable, not what helps us grow. We shoot the same angles, the same light, the same focal lengths, and without realizing it, those habits become limits. So here's the thing, feedback doesn't show you the photo you took, it shows you the picture everyone else sees. We remember the effort, the weather, the waiting around, and the emotion of actually being there. But your viewer only sees the final image, and that fresh, unbiased perspective can spot in seconds what might take you 10 shoots to notice, like a distraction, a missed opportunity with the light, or a composition that isn't quite doing what you intended. And the best part? Good feedback doesn't just improve this photo, it changes how you see the next one too. And if you'd like friendly, constructive feedback in your photography, come and join us in the Photography Foundations community. QR code on the screen. And if you want to discover even more ways to grow as a photographer, take a look at episode 10 of the Ultimate Checklist series here. That was your Focus Bite, and better photos aren't about gear, they're about vision. Thanks for watching, I'll see you soon.